Hello designers! Welcome to our brand new series, Bite-Sized Videos, DIALux Tips. These quick and focused episodes are designed to help you with practical tips for your lighting projects. Episode 01, How to get 3D models of humans in DIALux Evo. Need 3D models of humans for light studies in your DIALux projects? Here's how you can do it. Visit the 3D Warehouse website. Search for xango3d@gmail.com. His collection has a variety of models with different sizes and poly counts. Choose the model that suits your project and download it. In SketchUp, ensure you select the correct units before exporting the file as 3ds. Now, import the file into your DIALux project. And you're all set to enhance your light studies. If you found this tip helpful, consider subscribing for more episodes. See you in the next one.